Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and today we're going to take a look at a set of speakers or headphones, or I'm actually not quite sure what they are. But anyway, here is the Zulu Audio Alpha Series. Keep watching to find out more. Okay, so this is a really weird one. I watched a video with these in, and Kath also saw the video, and unbeknownst to me actually contacted this company and said that we would like to do a review on them. I was a little bit unsure, I've got to be honest with you, because they seem to me like a little bit of a niche product. But still, we've got two sets here, so we've got a black set and a white set. Now the white set here I'm going to be unboxing, but if you like the look of these and you want to win the black ones, then all you're going to need to do, you don't have to subscribe, you don't have to do anything, but all I do ask you to do is to make a comment in the section below, make it a funny one, and the funniest comment that I read out, and you will get these earphones if you want them, or speakers, or whatever you decide to call them. So if you want to win them, that's how to do it. Put a comment in the section below and we'll take it from there. So that's out of the way. So let's have a look at these things. So what actually are they? So essentially these are wearable Bluetooth speakers. Now we've all seen Bluetooth headphones and Earbuds and all that kind of stuff, and at the moment people are getting really kind of a little bit scared about these things because obviously they're Bluetooth, it's a wireless technology, and you've got them actually inside your ear canal, which could potentially be dangerous. Now we don't 100% know for sure whether it causes any damage or whether it does or not. Maybe we'll find out in years to come, but with these you don't have that worry. You wear them on your clothing, so there's no direct contact with your skin, and obviously because of where they are, they're further away from the sensitive areas of your body. And another concern that some people have with things like the AirPods or in earbuds or even noise cancelling headphones is the fact that you do become completely immersed in your audio, which if you're on a sofa or in your garden relaxing is a great thing, don't get me wrong. But if you're using these during an activity, say cycling, running, walking, taking your child for a walk, whatever, the last thing you want to do is to be unaware of your ambient surroundings. Passing cars, with electric cars now being virtually silent, you don't hear the engine noise, you don't feel the engine noise, so you want to be aware of what's going on around you. So these are perfect because they're not right inside your ear, but they're really close to you, and they're actually quite loud. Each one of these speakers is 2 watts each. Now they're USB powered for recharging. There's a 200 milliamp hour battery in there, which will give you about 4 hours of running time. It takes about 2.5 hours to charge fully, so you can charge them up overnight or whatever, get them ready for your run in the morning, and you're all good to go. Anyway, I'm waffling on far too much. Let's get these things out and take a look at them and see what they're like. The packaging's actually very nice. Oh wow. So, okay, to start with, we get this this cool carry case. I like that, that's awesome. And inside here is the charging cable. So it's a micro USB charging cable and a great little pouch there for holding things in. Now there is a magnet. Now that is the magnets that you use with these speakers to actually hold them in place. So you've got 2 magnets, one for each speaker. I think I'm going to refer to them as speakers now. Well, actually that's a 3rd magnet, so you get a spare in case you lose one, although they are really, really powerful magnets actually. I think you'd struggle to lose one. Okay, I'm struggling with these now. Okay, so the theory is, okay, so you've got an adjustable band there. So let's put that on the loosest section that we can at the moment. So there's the speakers themselves. You put the speakers around your neck, like that, onto your clothing, and you put the magnets inside your clothing. That's round the wrong way, that's better. Sorry, headphone users, you've just been tormented by that. So I better keep this one out here so I can actually see what's going on. So you get the idea, it's on your clothing. So if you're moving around, it's not going to go far at all, because that's a really strong magnet. I don't think you quite appreciate how strong these magnets are. So they are very, very powerful magnets. Now obviously medical concerns, if you're wearing things like a pacemaker or something like that, or if you've got something going on internally that it doesn't like magnetic stuff going on, obviously these are not for you. It does actually say that on the packaging. So going back, so micro USB charging, that's to charge it up. It's got a little charging port on the bottom there. So also there is a little microphone hole and a power LED. You've got a plus and minus for volume up and down. And also that is, I would presume, is your combination button to answer or reject phone calls, or play or pause music, or press and hold to turn it on. Now we'll try that now. Ooh. Okay, so we've got a little blue LED on there, so it's ready for pairing. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to pair this with my Surface Pro, and I can use some of the YouTube's audio library to prevent any copyright strikes. So I'm going to go ahead now and pair this. Right, so it's not going to pick up, so I think we probably need to press and hold it. So press and hold turns it off, and there's a red light that comes on, so maybe when it's off you press and hold. Keep the button at. There we go. So now we've got a pairing light, so the light is flashing blue and red, and it's come up on the device now, Bluetooth headset. Awesome, connecting. It comes up as Zulu audio. Your device is ready to go, connected for voice and music. Okay, so we're done there. Okay, so that's connected. So I guess the best thing to do now is try some music. So we've got the volume buttons on the side there, so let's see what it's like. So let's try something cinematic to start with. Let's try some. Right, so it goes down to volume off and you get a beep. So that's on level 1. You actually get a really nice stereo separation. You're probably not going to get it on the microphone because it's a mono microphone split into 2 channels, but for me listening, actually, yeah, that's really nice. That's only on volume level 1, that's pretty loud. Let's see what it'll go up to. Okay, that's enough of that one. Let's turn this down a bit. So that's on lowest, and let's turn it up 1, let's turn it up 2. Let's try something a little bit more up to date. So let's try some dance music. Although what is going to come out of this, I don't know. This is all a little bit hit and miss. And the buttons actually have got a nice tactile feel to them, so you can actually tell which one's up and down. So the plus button feels like a plus, and the minus button feels like a minus button. Right, let's try something a little bit more interesting. Alright, let's try something from Mr. McDonald, because we're a big fan of his. And they don't fall off. Right, let's pause that so you get the general idea. So, I don't know, what do you guys think? I'm actually quite impressed. I didn't think I was going to be, because it's kind of like, it is one of those weird sort of niche products. Not many people would maybe want to have a set of speakers or earphones actually draped around them, or maybe listening to other music. Music for me, I guess probably because I've got quite an eclectic taste, is quite a personal thing, so I don't know whether I would like to broadcast it to the rest of the world. But having said that, if I'm out in the privacy of my garden, or maybe I'm doing some work in the garden, maybe just chopping some logs for the fire, then yeah, this is great because I can get on, do what I need to do, not have to worry about other things going on around me, or not being able to hear the front doorbell for the Amazon parcels, or the phone for the notifications, all that kind of stuff. And again, notifications will come through on here on the Bluetooth anyway, so I guess that's not so much of a problem. But you get what I mean. This is, you can get involved with your music, but you can also still be attached to the rest of the world going on around you, so you're not that kind of isolated feeling that you sometimes get with the over-the-ear or in-ear earpods and that kind of thing. Overall, actually, I'm quite impressed. Time will tell. I'll have to wait until the weather gets a bit better before I can go out and do some cycling or some exercising properly, but at the moment, I'm pretty impressed. Okay, if you want to win the other set, which I haven't unboxed, feel free to leave me a comment in the comment section below, and like I said, the funniest comment, or one that makes me chuckle the most, will be the winner, and I will notify the winner via that post. So keep watching the videos. Also check out our Discord channel. The giveaways will also be notified on there. So that's pretty much it. I've been Mike. This is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To. This has been the pretty cool Zulu Audio Alpha series. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.